as the tradition of the conference from previous year, I will start with few sentences in few language. If you understand them, good for you. If not, that's totally normal. به نام خداوند بخشنده مهربان، درود و خوش آمد بر همگی به همایش خوارزمی‌های آینده. همانطوری که پیشتر اعلام شده زبان برنامه انگلیسی است، بنابراین این آخرین جمله هایی که به زبان فارسی از من میشنوید. Now Thai, and sorry for my bad pronunciation. Sawadee krap tuktan indi donrab kausu gan samina algorithm heng anakot krap. Now for everyone else, hi and welcome everyone to Future Algorithms 2025. We have 2 exciting days with a kind of busy schedule, and I will go through some changes in the schedule happening for tomorrow in a few minutes later. But before that, a few quick advertisement. We have Apply to Apply program from Coventry University. It started back in 2024, is still ongoing. If you know any talented candidate who want to apply for Marie Curie postdoctoral fellowship, which you know is very competitive, or any other postdoctoral fellowship that you can do in UK, please share this QR code with them. There is a quick, nice summary of the program. The university will offer some help in writing your proposal, so it increases your chance of success. We have another conference happening next month in July in person in Crete, island in Mediterranean Sea. You can see in the map. It's the 4th edition of this event. We had the previous editions in Turkey, Poland, UK, and now it is going to be in Greece. We gather experts from 3 different areas: mathematics, computer science, and life science. And life science itself is a vast area: biology, chemistry, population dynamic, ecology, so on. They will gather, interact, and trigger new projects. They can also bring their students. Everyone is welcome. New advertisement added today from morning. Dr. Ali Kamal Unju from University of Bath said that they have a fully funded PhD position available. The topic is related to his talk at morning. If you were not lucky to be in the session morning, you can watch the recorded video that will be online later. You can see the QR code. It will give you a link to the description of the PhD position. In the page, it says expired and closed, but Dr. Unju confirmed that it is still open and they are looking for candidates. So please share it with anyone that is suitable. So now a few words about the Future Algorithms itself. For some of you, it's very clear what is the motivation behind the naming of the event, but for a few of you, still is a question that the title has algorithm, but the picture has face of a person. What is the connection? So let's answer that question. Khwarazm is a Persian word. It's the name of a geographical region you see in the map, and you can also see the old Persian script in cuneiform style written 2,500, 600 years ago. In Persian language, when they want to create adjective for locations and countries, they just add e at the end of the noun. So Khwarazmi means from Khwarazm. And you can see this structure in other language. For example, in English, when you say Bangladeshi, Pakistani, Afghani, and Iraqi, it's because of the influence of Persian in those regions. When British went there, they took these words from there. And whenever you see this structure, give it a thought. Maybe there is a connection with Persian language. For example, khaki is name of a color, but it's actually a Persian word. Khak means soil, khaki means related to soil, and it is for the color of the soil. From Persian, it went to Urdu and then to English. So Khwarazmi is name of this person living 780 to 850 AD. He's a mathematician. From Persian, Khwarazmi went to Arabic. They add al, so become al-Khwarazmi. Then it went to Latin and Western language, such as English, and become algorithm. So algorithm comes from name of this person. As a side note, there are other places you see words related to Khwarazm. For example, Khwarezmian Empire. It's a Persian dynasty, and the reason of the name is that the ruling family were coming from the Khwarezm region, the same region. But it's not related to that mathematician because it's several hundred years after his death. So back to the title of our conference. Khwarazmi wrote several books. They were very inspiring and very nice for many people. For example, the book Al-Jabr al-Muqabalah, which algebra comes from the name of this book written by him. And also in his text, he was writing step-by-step instructions to solve the problems, and hence the concept of algorithm, and they choose his name for this concept. So the idea is that in this conference, we want to inspire, motivate, and help today young students to become future Khwarazmis who develop new algorithms that influence our life. So if you haven't checked the website of the event, please check it. There are several things that you can click on them. Of course, the schedule for the time of the talk abstract, for seeing the abstract of the presentations to choose which of them are interesting for you to participate, and competition. Please click on that. There are 4 posters there submitted by our brave students. Your feedback, questions, suggestion can help them prepare your opinion and for tomorrow poster competition event. And then gallery right now just has a placeholder. We will put a group photo, but because we are online, we will ask you by email after the whole event finish that if you're interested to be in the group photo, send us a picture having your face in it, and then we create an artificial group photo, which is human design, not AI design, and we put it there. It will be a good memory. So the schedule right now, we have 2 speakers. I will introduce them at 1:30 UK time sharp. And then we have another part today at 4 p.m. UK time, mathematical tutorial. Wolfram Company was kind enough to sponsor our event for this year. They are also providing the rewards for tomorrow poster competition. We have also a talk by Dr. Christopher Rakakaus from MIT and Julia Programming Language. It's very exciting. I'm looking forward to that. Tomorrow we have 3 parts again. The change that happened is that at the UK morning 8 session, we had 2 speakers before, but because the 3rd speaker of today was not available, we moved him to tomorrow. So that's the only change to the schedule. Then we have at 12 UK time the poster competition. Please check the posters, come with your questions. And at 4 p.m. tomorrow, we have 4 other presentations, all of them exciting, especially the one with Noah Fallenstein, a well-known face in game industry and an inspiring speaker. We also have at 6 p.m. the winner announcement of the poster competition and the closing of the event. So that's the schedule. And we are going to wait 4 more minutes until 1:30 that I will introduce the speakers of this part.